Welcome to episode 4 of JANTEK Windows, How Windows Are Made series. My name is Kellen, and in this episode we are going to see how JANTEK actually assembled the glass unit into the Windows SASH frame. If you remember in our last episode, we saw how JANTEK assembles its highly energy efficient triple or double pane glass units. So now let's take a look at how those glass units are assembled or glazed into the Windows SASHES. The glazing process begins with placing a highly adhesive double-sided glazing tape onto the perimeter of the glass channel inside of the vinyl sash. The glazing tape is specifically designed for maximum adhesion and provides a durable and tight seal against moisture and air leakage as well. Prior to placing the glass unit into the vinyl sash, the protective cover is removed from the glazing tape, exposing the adhesive surface that will eventually anchor the glass unit. Next, glazing blocks are applied at the pre-specified positions around the interior of the glass channel. There is a dual purpose of the glazing blocks. First, to ensure that the vinyl sash remains square once the glass unit is placed into the sash channel. Second, to create a small gap around the entire perimeter of the glass unit and the sash so that any moisture buildup is released to the weep holes designed into the sash, and this prevents seal failure and stress cracking. Now the vinyl sash is ready to be assembled with the glass unit by simply placing it into the glass channel against the glazing tape and the glazing blocks. The final step in the glazing process is the application of what we at JANTEK refer to the glazing bead. Although glazing tape will hold the glass unit in the sash extremely well, the glazing bead is a vinyl extrusion that we specifically designed to allow for a secondary retention mechanism that also is removable should there ever be a need to repair a broken glass unit. So I hope you found this episode of How Windows Are Made informative. Again, I'm Kellen with JANTEK Industries, and always remember to save energy and capture comfort. We'll see you next time. Take care.